How to get Pear in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about getting a Pear in Grow a Garden on Roblox and how much they sell for. So let's jump right in the video. So first, if you go to the seed shop, you will notice that pears aren't available there. So how do you get them? To get a pear, head over to the gear shop, which is located opposite the seed shop, and speak to the NPC there and select Show me my daily quest. Every day, you will have a different set of quests to complete. So this quest reset daily, so keep that in mind. When you complete this quest, you will receive seed packs. The pear can only be found in the seed packs with 7.7% chance of dropping. So now let's talk about how much pears sell for. If you have a regular pear and a frozen shocked golden pear, I'll show you how much they're worth. A regular pear sells about around $500, which is pretty standard. However, a frozen gold pear is worth almost $1 million. So these pears can sell for a lot if you add the right mutations. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.